Well, this is interesting. A new way the city plans to get the pulse of the fentanyl epidemic in Colorado.
It's kind of stinky, though.
Yeah, a little smelly.
Yeah,
Probably a little
but
smelly.
somebody's got to do it, right? And if it helps, I'm all in. The Denver Department of Public Health and Environment partnering with the BioBot Analytics to test wastewater. And again, Carly, we've talked about fentanyl and how much of a problem, an epidemic really, that it is in our country. So whatever helps, right?
Right. Drew, Andrea, good morning. And I just got off a call with someone who kind of knows a little bit more details about it. But yes, it is a little bit of a dirty job and someone has to do it. But the goal is to prevent and maybe even predict deadly drug overdoses. The Drug Enforcement Administration told us that fentanyl is the #1 deadly drug, not just in Colorado, but in the entire nation. Fentanyl is a powerful synthetic opioid, and the Rocky Mountain DEA seized a record amount of the stuff in 2023, more than 2.6 million pills. This year, it's already on track to surpass that number. So, of course, the health department is working to address the misuse of opioids, but using the technology of BioBot, they can detect the levels of fentanyl within the Denver sewer shed. So this is a 1-year pilot program that can be extended if it goes well. So BioBot's goal is to use the wastewater infrastructure to find real-time public health observations. They're already testing the water for other things. So for $50,000 a year, they say they can test for drugs too. They say eventually the data will help them allocate more resources to the problem, target prevention efforts, and even anticipate spikes in use before they happen. Here's what they had to say.
BioBot Analytics sends Metro Water Recovery actual sample kits. So, imagine like a vial, and the staff at Metro Water Recovery actually collect a sample from one of their locations, and it gets overnight shipped back to BioBot Analytics lab. And then BioBot Analytics at their lab, they actually conduct the testing.
Yeah.
Meth, cocaine, xylazine in their raw form, but also the form that's actually been metabolized by someone. This is all funded by the Opioid Abatement Settlement funding. So they have a ton of other programs as well. So this wastewater testing is just part of it, but they have about $12 million allocated for things that they need to help with epidemics like this.
I'll tell you what, again, if it helps, I'm all in.
Right.
Whatever helps. It's such a huge problem. All right. Thank you, Carly.
Yeah.